Alright guys, hey again. Real quick, I already started a video. It didn't turn out so good. What I've decided to do, start from the beginning here. I put this light bulb on the back. This is a dual contact 1157 bulbs, dual contact, brake and running. I want it to be a turn signal, a brake, and a turning, like a Harley. So here's what we've got. This is a Curt Trailor Module. It turns a 2 into a 3. It turns a brake, left turn, and a right turn. Let me take this back. It takes one bulb and lets it do 3 things. Because your constant is already hooked up to a wire back there on the bulb. This will hook up to one wire up here. So it's going to be a signal, number 1. And it's going to be a tail light. Now, ran into a little problem in the first video, so that's the reason I stopped and we're doing over. Turn this thing on real quick. Alright, here's the deal. Everything's working correctly, but when I hit the brake, hyper flash. So, here's the deal. Here's the deal. We're going to have to get some resistors. Okay? Once we put these resistors in, and these are an Amazon item, I just had some laying around, but they're for LED type signals. This is a, let's say 50 watt, thought it would say ohms or something. I can't read that. 50 watt something. Anyway, they can be had on Amazon. So we don't wire these in. The name of the game is, if you're doing this, the name of the game is not to do it at the out of the module. Don't do it at the out of the module. Do it at the in of the module. Okay? The feed of the module, not the out. You're going for the feed. So here's the deal. You got a Voyager. Blue is going to be your brake light. For future reference, red is your running light. Gray is going to be, I'm not sure. Let's see, gray. I'm guessing that's left turn, gray up here. Green will be right turn. So if you're using a Curt product like me, a trailer module, it'll be green to green and yellow to gray. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to put the this piece. Why did my mind just go blank? Don't get diabetes, people, because your mind goes blank. Alright, we're going to put the resistor, that's what it is, resistor. Put the resistor in, and we're going to connect it to a ground, either the battery, or we're probably just going to hook right here to the frame right here. So that's the plan. Here we go. Alright guys, not sure where I left you at, but I have everything put back together. Just like I told you before, the resistors, make sure that's on your inside. I'm going to go ahead and heat shrink these solder connections on, and after I'm done I'll just show you exactly what happened. Like I said though, these resistors I'm just going to ground right here. Alright, anybody that's never used these things, this is hopefully you can see this, but it melts that solder. Let me see if I could zoom in a little bit. It melts the solder so it's kind of spread out a little bit more. This is what you started with here. I haven't done this one yet. And then once you melt it, everything shrinks on the ends and the solder melts in the center and just spreads out. Alright guys, so everything has been joined back together. Everything's back together now. I'm going to get the good old electrical tape. Let me unmagnify this. Good old electrical tape, threading. Gonna put it back together real good, tape it up, protect it. Then I got some wire. Gosh, my day is not going good. Some protection here. What do you call this? Wire. Somebody help me. Cannot think of it. Anyway, that's what I'm gonna do. Wire. Gosh, I can't believe I can't think of. Alright ladies and gentlemen, I finally figured out the word I was looking for. It was loom, wire loom. Not a word I use every day. really need to work on my cognitive skills. Alright, so here's the deal. We got it all done. People, they hear about work as a running light, turn signal, and a brake light. See if I can get some assistance to show y'all how the brake lights work. There's a signal and run. Other side, signal, running light together. Now, if you would you please pull that brake handle? You're not in a shot, have no fear. Not a movie star today. Alright, let go. Hold on. You're still not a movie star. I'm gonna do the other side. Now pull it again. Perfect. Still not in the shot. Do you want to be in the shot? Alright, that's all, people. All done. Oh yeah. Always got to end on this because oil sales aren't that great. Getting dark. www.MEtricoil.com. www.MEtricoil.com. Need to sell some oil.